How's it going? I'm the Crackit guy, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys things you need to have at the back of your mind on your own if you're a PC user. And this video will also help you if you're just seeing it for the first time or hearing any of the things I'm going to be saying in this video for the first time. Most of what I'm going to be mentioning are things I ended up finding out as time went by. I've been working with computers for a very long time. Not like I'm a computer worker, I just basically use it for my everyday stuff. Now the first thing I want you to have in the back of your mind is that anything can literally be free on the internet, because I see many people, I don't say it's bad, buying things on the internet or buying things online. I don't think I've ever bought any software online. Now don't get me wrong, obviously not everything on the internet is for free, but what I'm talking about here is specifically popular softwares and digital products. You know, most of all these big softwares out there that actually make you pay money. If you go on YouTube right now and search for how to get for free, you might find some videos or some, helpful videos that will tell you how to get them, but it's a little bit stressful and tricky. It all comes down to, bringing out time, because they say time is money and you need to spend a lot of time, making that research. They are not legal, don't get me wrong, they are not legal, and I am not promoting any of them, but I just want you to know. The next thing I want you to have in mind is that you don't need an antivirus. Now, unless you're doing something crazy with your PC, or you're surrounded with, crazy people with crazy viruses on their system, or you actually need this virus, you don't need to spend any single dime on an antivirus. We Windows users have a built-in antivirus on our system, which is the Windows Defender, and the Windows Defender does a really good job, only if you let it, because most of us, I myself, I fall victim a lot of time. Once Windows send you a pop-up notification telling you, hey, you have a virus and threat thing coming up on your system, like your system is at risk or whatever, I just go ahead and ignore the message, because it's quite annoying at times when Windows just spam you with some of all these antiviruses messages. Unless you have crazy friends, unless you have crazy viruses around, you need to have at the back of your mind, you don't need to pay for an antivirus. The next thing is always have the habit of researching your problems before you take your PC to a proper technician. I'm not going to stress much on this, but having at the back of your mind that your PC problem could be the slightest thing possible can change everything, can save you money. But if you are one of those that don't know and you're wondering how you can search it, it could just literally be opening up Google and then typing my PC refusing to shut down, or writing the error code that your PC pops up. It could be as little as that. And once you make that search, you're going to find list of problems related to your own or your exact problem, and you might also as well find solution on any website or linking you back to YouTube on this platform. The next one is as common as understanding your PC specs, and you might think it's nothing, it's just RAM, but there are some other core PC specs that you need to know if you want to pick the right PC for your your desired field, or a field that you want to pursue, or maybe you just find out that your PC is not compatible to the space that you're working with. You can easily solve that problem or get that frustration out of your head once you understand your PC specs very well. Let me know down in the comment section if you want me to make a full breakdown video on understanding your PC specs, because I will eventually make that video as time goes on, but it's just going to be fun to see your comments down in the comment section. And then finally, speaking of having the right PC for your field is also a point that I think I need to just bring up before I end this video. And yeah, it also comes down to understanding your PC specs. I know many times that I've gone to a PC store and I tell them maybe I need a PC for editing. They just tell you pick a system, pick a 6GB PC, and I pick it, and it end up not even being enough. But yeah, when I finally understood PC specs and everything about it, it literally saved me a lot of time when I'm going to make a purchase for a PC, or not just PC, maybe an external hardware at all. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a like, and you can feel free to share this video if you want to, and you can also feel free to subscribe to the channel right now after watching this video. And for those of my subscribers that are wondering what happened to me for a very long time, I knew I went out for a very long time. I